What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Minimum Monet and we are back with another one. Today we are packing for a chilly Halloween, okay? We are pairing some very simple outfits so that we can pair them on top of each other, left, right, up, down, you name it, because we're gonna fly, we have to pack light. When we get to drive, it's different, you pack everything you want, but we're flying. So anyway, let's get into it, y'all. Let's get into some of these fits. Okay, first up, we've got the beautiful unitard. I think that's what this baby is called. This brown unitard is back. She's back. I am wearing it as a statement because I feel like I wanted to make this look more adult-esque, and every time I pair it with other things, it looks very like soft girl-esque, and that is a vibe. That is a vibe, and I will be living for that. But I did want to give a little bit more elegance to this because I'll be wearing it multiple ways with a jean jacket. And yeah, so I am loving this. The leather with the black long boots, it just kind of like brings it together, obviously, because they're the same color and they just make an outfit look cohesive. And I'm putting on the jean jacket so y'all can see that I am trying to find a jacket that goes over all of my pieces, because I don't have time to be bringing like 3-4 coats with me and not impede my suitcase, my poor suitcase. So love this first look. To the next look. All right, next up, same unitard, but a different top and bottom. I wanted to incorporate some corduroy because I'm bringing these Tims, these fake Tims. I'm bringing them. I don't know how, why, but they need to come with me, and they just make it this outfit adorable. This is the adorable version of the unitard, and I can wear this on the plane if I want to. I can wear this to sleep if I want to, if you catch my drift. But I really like this very much. I love the brown on brown on brown it's giving, and I'm ready to really just be comfortable this trip. Like, that's the real goal. Now the jean jacket looks a little odd this round. I'll be very frank with myself. I'll be frank, but really just wanted to make sure I can put it on top without it, you know, affecting the overall look. Honestly, I think with this one, I'll just make sure the jean jacket is completely covering the corduroy so that it has its own look, because we've done this outfit before. It looks the same, feels the same. I will probably be wearing my little knit sweater underneath all of this just to make sure I'm truly comfortable. We are entering with the true up north outfit. I love a sporty chic moment. I love it. The green on green. We know it doesn't is exact green. We know that they don't match to the T, but they're just about in the same family, and that's all we can ask for. And honestly, the corduroy with the teddy boots, like, we kind of love it. We kind of love it. It's so comfortable, y'all. Like, this is the outfit that I'm gonna be like walking around just feeling my best self, and I could care less. I could care less if I look extra girly or not. I feel girly and I feel cute. And that's all you need. That's all. If you feel girly, then it's girly. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love this fit. I've been waiting to be able to break out my cargos in a winter version. I always wear my cargos with like a tight top and stuff, but be able to wear, like, you know, big on big, it's just so much more relaxing. Now, you know, I had to bring out a regular sweater. Who doesn't need a striped sweater? Let's be real. Best time to wear a striped sweater is all the time. Yes it is. Anyway, pairing this with some knee hole jeans, definitely more on the skinny side, with my tights peeking through, and of course the black boots that just go with everything. So love this look so much. And of course it goes perfectly with a leather jacket. I mean, that is the pairing. I am very happy with this, because I know I can wear this. I know I'm got a little bit of a sausage arm situation, but it doesn't feel that bad. So I'm still rocking it. It still works. And I think I could get away with putting on my corduroy jacket or even my jean jacket to make this really work. Love it. Not sure how you feel about a jean on jean moment, but I love a jean on jean moment. This is actually very cute. Definitely wanted to try and piece as many of these items together so that if any moment happens, I'm like, the leather jacket was be worn if I'm actually cold. The jean jacket, if it's like, just a little breeze in the air. The corduroy didn't look that great. I think it was just because there's too much going on at that point. Y'all know I had to do it. I had to show out just a little bit. This green is giving, okay? I absolutely love this, okay? Because I'm gonna need an undershirt, right? I'm gonna need an undershirt, obviously. You always wear undershirts, it's the best thing for you. And then I'm just going to, look like I'm sophisticated, like I'm a soldier. I'm an undercover soldier. And then the hoodie, y'all, the hoodie came back. It just made me feel even more in charge. I love this look so much. I hope I have time to wear this. I hope I decide to wear this. I don't know. It's giving better than the cargos. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. We might might swap them out. I don't know. I like both of them though. Be real. Y'all. I had to check. Okay, the leather jacket is giving, obviously. She's very much giving, and I'm obsessed with it. Like, it's so cute. Like, with everything else, like, ooh, I might not need anything else. This might be the outfits, y'all. This might be the outfits for the entire trip. Now, y'all, I really wanted to wear suspenders, like, bad. Like, it was like I had to. Like, I went searching for these things, and I'm gonna wear them. So I absolutely love this. This is such an odd look. Obviously, it's very quirky, very, very crazy out there, but the browns, they come together for me. Don't know about you, but they come together for me. And I just love it. I feel like I'm like full on pumpkin-esque everything. You can't tell me nothing, okay, with my little cargos on. Obsessed with her. Obsessed. I like the brown because I feel like even though the brown is like a lot, there's different browns happening, it works with the rest of the fit. Black would work fine with this too, but I really love how sweet this is and how pumpkin patch it's giving. Really like it. It's very fun and just simple at the same time. Can't get enough. Yes. All right, and of course had to check out the jacket on top. I think cargos and jeans just live together. They're best of friends. They've been roommating since the jump. College roommates will probably be old people together on the porch, scaring off the kids. Like, they are a pair made in heaven. Okay, love this so much. I think I'm gonna be definitely wearing my jean jacket over my green cargos as well, because let's be honest, that is clearly a pairing, and I'm obsessed with it. So I'm definitely going to be rocking this one. Y'all know I had to bring out the outfit that we're going to be wearing for the big dinner. We're going to go to like a fancy restaurant. We have reserved all the stuff, so I'm really excited to wear this because I need something that's like adult but doesn't feel too, like I'm not supposed to be here. Like, I love it so much because it's so simplistic and cute, but it also is elevated very much with the socks and the boots. So I'm gonna be loving this one. Yes. To be honest with myself, I don't hate the jean jacket with it. I think it works, especially if I'm just trying to like make sure I have a jacket for this one in particular. But it looks simple enough to where it's like, oh, she just needed to be warm, but also like, adds a little bit of a street vibe to it, which, I don't hate that. I had to try the black dress as well because she looks just as beautiful. Okay, I actually really like this midnight, like darkest night outfit because I love black moment. Like, wearing all black sometimes with different materials just looks so peaceful and beautiful and just simple. Like you tried really hard, but you really didn't either. Like, you look on both ends of the spectrum, which I can appreciate so deeply. I love this look so much, and there's a chance that this black dress would be very helpful with the boots, with a cosplay me and my fiance are planning to do. So I'm hoping that bringing it along will actually help my situation than hurt it. So we will see. But yes, absolutely obsessed, obsessed. This look is so cute. I mean, I may wear it as a night dress. I really don't know, y'all. All right, y'all, that was everything I want to bring in my suitcase. I am so excited that I pared it down a little bit. A little bit. I know I wore a lot of the pieces with the corduroy jacket and the brown boots, but I think what's gonna actually end up happening is I'm gonna just wear black. I'm just gonna do the black leather jacket, the blue jean jacket, and black boots, black short boots, black long boots, because realistically, I just don't see myself actually wearing that brown unitard twice. And even if I do wear it twice, I can wear it with the leather jacket or the blue jacket, and I think it still works with the black boots, short or long. So I don't think I gave up too much on that, but for the sake of my suitcase, for the sake of my poor little bitty suitcase, I'm just going to bring the black because I think it'll work with anything that I bring in or otherwise. So love that, love that. But yeah, I am looking forward to this attempt at being minimal in my suitcase because honestly, it's very hard to bring all of the outfits you want when it starts to get cold. We're going somewhere where it's windy and it's cold, so I can't be messing around with like 5 sweaters and all of that. I need layers. Layers is the only way that I'm gonna be able to fit everything that I need and still feel like I did the job. I did the thing that was important to make sure that everything worked. So I'm excited. I'm excited to get all of this handled and packed. I am so excited, y'all. Y'all have no clue. I've said it like 3 times, so clearly y'all know. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Later.